students, today we are going to cover question number 8 of exercise 8.1, in which it is given that 3 cot A is equals to 4 and we have to check this LHS is equals to RHS or not. So firstly we are going to take the given things, that is 3 cot A is equals to 4. From here we can say that cot A is equals to 4 by 3. Correct? Now we know that PBP HHP, so cot is equals to base upon perpendicular. Correct? Because this is sine, cos, tan, cot is B upon P. Now we are going to draw the figure for the given information, for the help of the given information. Here I am considering A, here I am considering B, and it is C. So the base is 4. So here we are going to write base 4k, perpendicular is 3k. Now why we have used k over here, let me tell you that if I have 4 by 12, okay, then the simplified form of 4 by 12 is 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12, so 1 by 3. So that simplified form is written over here, but the real form of this number is 4 by 12. इसका मतलब है कि कोई नंबर तो है जो इससे मल्टीप्लाई हुआ था पहले, जो कि सेम था ऊपर और नीचे, तभी हमने उसको कट करके हमने 1 by 3 लिखा है, पर हमें नहीं पता कि यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर था जिसको हमने कट करके 4 by 3 लिखा है. दैट्स वाई वी आर कंसिडरिंग k ओवर हेयर. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या मान रहे हैं, 4 by 3 किसी k से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ होगा और k को हमने कैंसिल करके 4 by 3 लिखा है. होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड वाई वी आर एडिंग k. नाउ हम कैसे लिखेंगे इसको, वी आर गोइंग टू राइट लाइक दिस, लेट b इज इक्वल्स टू 4k, b स्टैंड्स फॉर द बेस whereas perpendicular is 3k. Now we have to find the value of AB. So in right angle triangle, in right angle triangle ABC, AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. Correct? We don't know the value of AB, just we are writing over here. The value of BC is 3k whole square and the value of AC is 4k square. Now the square of 3 is 9k square, whereas the square of 4 is 16k square. Now 9 plus 16 is equals to 25k square. Okay, now AB is equals to, AB square is equals to 25k square. From here we can say that AB is equals to under root 25k square. Okay, we know that 25 is 5 square. I am just splitting this under root, so 5 square, or we can write k square also. So here it is cancelled by the under root, so square is cancelled by the under root. So here we get AB is equals to 5k. So the value of AB is 5k. Now we have to find out the value of tan. Okay, so here we are moving towards to find the value of tan. Before that I am mentioning over here that is 5k. Now what we have to find out, we have to find out tan A. Okay, we know that, again I am just writing PBB HHB, so tan is equals to P upon B. So perpendicular over here is, perpendicular is 3k, whereas base is 4k. So from here we get 3 by 4 as tan A. Correct? Now what we have to do, we are going to substitute the values into the given equation, that is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Okay, which is going to be equals to 1 minus tan, the value of tan A is 3 by 4, but here it is square, so here we have to mention square here. Similarly 1 plus, so here we are going to write 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, now 1 minus 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, similarly 1 plus 9 upon 16. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. Okay, so 16 minus 9 upon 16, similarly 16 plus 9 upon 16. Correct? Here we can cancel 16 from the denominators. 16 minus 9 is nothing. It is equals to 7. Okay? It is equals to 7. Similarly, 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. So 7 upon 25. Here we get the value of 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square is equals to 7 upon 25. Now we are moving towards the RHS. For RHS, firstly we should know the value of cos A. So again I'm just writing PBB HHB. So sin cos is B upon H. So the value of B is 4K and H, the value of H is 5K. From here we get 4 by 5 as the value of cos A. Similarly, we have to calculate the value of sin A. Sin A is equals to P upon H. So P upon H. The value of P is nothing but it is equals to 3K. And the value of H is 5K. From here we can say that 3 by 5 as the value of sin A. Now what we have to put? We have to put these values into the equation, that is cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A, the value of cos A is 4 by 5 and then we have to put square. Okay. So minus sin A 3 by 5 whole square. Now we know that 4 square is 16 upon 25 whereas 3 square is 9 by 25. So from here we are going to take the LCM, that is 25. Now 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay, it is 7. So 7 upon 25. Here we get the correct answer, that is 7 upon 25. Before that we get the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, also 7 upon 25, and cos square A minus sin square A is also 7 upon 25. Both are equal. So it shows that is the given situation is totally correct. Thank you and have a great day.